Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take a white sheet and draw the lines on it like this using a black marker. After that, turn the sheet and then draw the lines like this. So here we are making a Santa Claus face. So draw its ears, mustache like this, draw its mouth, draw its hands like this. Now we will color it using different colors. So we will choose red color to fill the color on the hat like this. Draw these strokes very carefully. Now color its dress. We will color its beards using white color. Draw its ears like this and it's ready. Next, today we'll be showing you some simple creative crafts. So first take a paper and draw the dog face on it using a black marker. Now draw its eyes, tongue and its nose like this. Fill the color inside it. Draw its teeth. Make its fur like this on the neck. Make its band and then color it as per your choice and your dog will be ready. I hope you liked it. Fill the brown color on the face and green color on the ears like this. Put the yellow color on the back and it's done. For more such interesting crafts video, follow our page. Next, draw the shape of the hand like this. So here we are making a brinjal. Draw its stick on the top, make its leaves. Now using the purple color, we will fill the shades inside it to make the brinjal. Give the green shade to the leaves like this. Now fill the color and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to give it a shade on the back like this using the dark purple color. Next we'll be creating some more interesting crafts. For that, you have to follow our page and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. Next, draw the lines like this. Now here we are making a tree. Draw the bushes near it. Now on the top, draw the semicircles or the circle like this. Draw the lines inside it and then using multiple colors, we will fill the leaves of the tree. Put the brown color on the branches, draw its eyes and nose, fill the yellow color in the base and your tree will be ready. I hope you liked it. Okay, you can use a single color in the leaves like this, but here we have chosen multiple colors so that it looks attractive. Draw the lines on it and it's done. Next, we'll be creating some more interesting crafts. First, take a white sheet and draw the lines on it like this using a black marker. After that, turn the sheet and then draw the lines like this. So here we are making a Santa Claus face. So draw its ears, mustache like this, draw its mouth, draw its hands like this. Now we will color it using different colors. So we will choose red color to fill the color on the hat like this. Draw these strokes very carefully. Now color its dress. We will color its beards using white color. Draw its ears like this and it's ready. Next, take the leaves like this and paste it. Paste one by one as shown in the video. Now use the leaves to make the fish. So here we will stick the fish like this by cutting it out. Make its eyes and your fish are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a beautiful scenery. So, for making the trees, paste the leaves like this. Now, for making the mountains, we will take the paper and tear it out like this and put it over it and sprinkle some pencil dust. Now, using a tissue paper, dab it like this to make the mountains. Now, make some birds and sun in the sky and it's ready. Next, take a leaf like this, cut it and paste it on the white sheet. Now, draw the neck of the ostrich, make its beak like this, stick its eyes. Next, we will draw its legs as shown in the video. Put some leaves on the bottom of the sheet and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to make the sun on the top and it's done. Next, using a leaf, we'll be making a girl. Stick its face like this, draw its eyes and mouth, stick its legs like this, stick its hands. Now using the leaves, paste the leaves like this. Now apply some glue and then sprinkle some dust over it to make the snow as shown in the video. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.